Hi, this is a tutorial showing the basics of Vision64, how to use it to view the roughness value for the OPDX files. So we will go and run Vision64 and then we click on Open on the Analyze tool, Analyze menu, and from here we have to select the file we want to open. I will use it for two OPDX file doing the same thing. We double click and now we can see the file. It is showing the dimensions of the imaging of the sample along with the roughness values. Now it shows the gradient, like how it is changing throughout this image. Now to view like an average, we go to the basic stats and then we see this RA value. This is the roughness value and it shows the unit here as well. And the percentage data point is how many of the pixels or the points on the image are captured. So we can see a 99.59% of this image is available, and from this image a roughness value of 2.015 micrometer is noted. To view this in 3D, we can click on the 3D plot on the left hand side and we can use our map to simply move around and see how the surface is. And using the image over here, we can also move the 3D plot as per our convenience. It will also show you the gradient of how the things are changing. Let us do it for another one. We will click on open and then select another file. And here on the active gallery in the bottom, you can see the different files we have opened. This is file 1 and this is file 2. So here in file 1 you can see the analytical result, but in file 2 you cannot see it. To see the analytical result, we have to click on basic stats from 3D analysis and then you will be able to see the roughness value, which is RA. And then you can go to the data analysis tab and click on the 3D plot and use your mouse to zoom in and zoom out to see the image in more detail. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know.